The transformation of a beach into a structured living space is not defined by speed, but by consistency. Every stage of the process contributes to the final outcome, and each step carries its own weight. Building on sand introduces challenges that cannot be ignored. Unlike solid ground, sand shifts, absorbs pressure, and reacts to movement. This means that every foundation element must be carefully adjusted to ensure stability. The placement of bamboo pillars becomes a critical step. Each one must be positioned with precision, not only vertically aligned but also firmly secured within the sand. The compaction process is just as important as the placement itself. Without proper compression, the structure would not be able to withstand external forces such as wind. As the frame begins to rise, the building process shifts from horizontal work to vertical expansion. The higher the structure grows, the more attention is required in balancing weight distribution. Bamboo, as a material, provides both strength and flexibility. This combination allows the structure to adapt to environmental conditions rather than resist them rigidly. The assembly of upper levels introduces a different rhythm. Movements become more controlled, more deliberate. Each beam is lifted manually, secured through rope binding techniques that rely on tension and friction rather than rigid connectors. This method not only holds the structure together but also allows it to move slightly with the wind, reducing the risk of structural failure. Flooring adds another layer of transformation. The repetitive placement of bamboo strips creates a surface that is both functional and visually consistent. The process requires patience, as each piece must align correctly to distribute weight evenly. Once completed, the floors define the usable space within the structure. Walls are then introduced, shaping the interior while maintaining a connection with the surrounding environment. The gaps between bamboo strips allow air and light to pass through, creating a dynamic interior atmosphere. The structure does not isolate itself from nature, but rather integrates with it. The final stage, roofing, completes the entire build. It provides protection while also defining the silhouette of the house. Layer by layer, the roof is constructed to withstand coastal conditions. When finished, it marks the transition from construction to completion. Standing before the finished structure, the contrast becomes clear. What was once an open stretch of sand has been transformed into a 4-level bamboo house. The result is not only a physical structure but also a reflection of process, effort, and attention to detail. Every stage leaves its mark, and every action contributes to what now stands firmly against the backdrop of the ocean.
I finished it. 4 stories, ready to go. It's finished! I can't believe I actually built it! Stories! Look at that! Almost there. Just one more to secure this section.
Looks strong.
It will hold. Good. 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 Okay, this piece fits perfectly. All right, first layer down. All right, that should hold. Hold fast. Just one more, come on. That's it.